Okay, so we are at Ikea in College Park, Maryland, and here's this elevator that goes up to Showroom. And if you notice on the indicator, it's saying RDY. What could that mean? I guess it actually does work. That's 2. Here we got 2. Focus up on that side. We're gonna get our cab view while we have the elevator to ourselves. Oh, hello there. We're down 1. That's 2. Still very good fixtures this time. Here are 2.
Oh look, it's already here. Do you need to take a picture of it?
No, I'm just an elevator enthusiast.
Oh, okay. Okay, Teresa, come on. Number 1.
Well, I guess that's it.